Hello friends, welcome to my channel UiPath Tutorials for Beginners. In the last video, we have seen how to download and install UiPath Studio. In this video, we are going to learn how to place a grocery items order on Flipkart.com website. So let's begin. So let's open new process. Let me name the process as Flipkart Order Automation. Flipkart Order Automation underscore 2, and then click on create. So friends, we are going to follow the steps for creating a bot for placing a grocery items order on Flipkart.com. So for reference, I have listed down these steps in the notepad. So I'm coming back to UiPath Studio. So open it. Let's click on main workflow. Let me hide this. So I'm going to add a sequence first. Then inside a sequence, I'm going to add one more flowchart. And again inside a flowchart, I'll add one more sequence. So follow this list of activities to create a program, create a bot for this placing online order. So I'm going to use first open browser activity. Here I need to provide the URL. So that is nothing but www.flipkart.com. So let me type it. Then let me select here type of browser as Chrome. Then let me go back here. I'm going to use maximize window activity first. So after that, I'm going to use attach browser activity for further steps. I'm going to use attach browser activity. So let me use that here. So I'll indicate this browser page. Next let's go back here. Then I'm going to add click activities for login, sign in and grocery button to reach finally Supermart page. So let me do that. So let me add first click activity, then indicate login button here, and then go back here, use one more click activity. For that I need to press the login button here. Then I will indicate this button. Now I am in the home page of my Flipkart account. So next I am going to use one more click activity to move to grocery page. So for that I will select this way and then go to grocery page. Okay friends, till now we have used open browser activity. Inside that we have used maximize window. So once browser is open, the window should be in the maximum size, and then we have used various click button activity inside attach browser activity. So now friends, we need to search the items which we want to order and then add the same into cart. So for that, let me go back to notepad to refer the list of activities. So for adding first grocery item, I am going to use anchor base activity here. So let me go back to UiPath. To search and add first grocery item, let's use anchor base activity. So inside anchor base activity, I am going to use find element here and then type into activity further to that, right side of that. So in find element, I am going to use this Supermart logo as a reference. For type into activity, I am going to use this search box as a reference. Inside type into, I am going to enter the first grocery item as onion. Then I am going to use click button. Let me refer the notepad. I'm going to use click button activity to search my first item. So I'm going to use this way, and let me type here onion and then search the item. Once I search the item, let me go back to Notepad to see the list of activity. Once I search the required item, I am going to add delay of 1 second. So let me add delay activity here. So here you can add time in hour, minute and second. So here finally you need to mention 1 seconds. Okay, so till now we have completed the part from opening the browser, logging into website flipkart.com, and then moving into grocery page section or grocery section, and then searching first grocery item. Let's run the program and see how it works. Let's log out and close the window. So let's debug the program. So we are able to log in and then go to grocery item, then search onions. Fine. So till now this is working fine. So let's go back. Let's go back to Notepad. Then I'm going to add one more click button here. I'm going to use this button for adding this first grocery item, that is onion. So after that, again I'm going to use one more delay activity, for which I'm going to provide time of 1 second. And then 01. Let's save this. So let's run this again. Log out and then close the window. Let's debug the file. Log in. So you are logged in. Moving into grocery page. Search the onions. So finally onions are added. So let's remove this. And then again log out. So till now we have completed these 9 steps. So the steps from step number 5 to 9 we are going to repeat for adding further items into cart. So let's remove this. Now next, to add next item I am going to use one more anchor based activity. So for that I'll use again add into it. I am going to add find element and then type into activity. So for adding further items, let's go back to flipkart.com website, then log in and then go to grocery page. So next item I am going to add is Sona Masuri rice 5 kg. So let me search this. So for that I am going to use this Supermart logo as a reference for find element activity, and then this search box as reference for type into activity. So here I need to type my next grocery item as Sona Masuri rice 5 kg. Next I am going to use click activity to search the item. So let me add the click activity here and indicate the same on browser. Let me indicate the same on browser here, click activity. Then once click activity is added, I am going to add a delay of 1 second. So for that let me use delay activity here and change the time to 1 second. So let's save that. After that, I am going to use one more click activity to add the searched item. So let me go back here and indicate this button, indicate this portion to click on. So once that is done, one more delay activity in which I am going to add the same 1 second time, 0 0 0 0 and then 0 1. So I am adding here 1 second of delay. So with this we have completed adding second item into the cart. So let me log out here and then close the browser, save the program, and let's debug the program to see how it works. So we are able to log in, then go to the grocery page, search onions, add onions to the cart. So only problem here, we missed to remove the clear search box before we type next item. So I have done that. Let me save the program and again log out and then close this. Before that, let's run the program again and let's see how it works. So let me debug. We are logging into it, go to the grocery page, search onions, then add items. Then we are able to search small size rice 5 kg packet. Then we are able to add the same. So friends, here the way we are adding items are reference to a particular portion of this web page. In case the search result is displayed here as second item, then wrong items will get added. We will see that how to resolve that issue in another separate video. For now, we will continue adding few more items to complete this, to complete placing this order and to complete our video. So let's go back here. Now let me remove these items from the basket and then log out. From here and let's continue adding further items. So to add the next item, I am going to use same anchor base activity once again. So in that, let's add find element and then let's add type into. So let's go back to Flipkart page again. Then I go to grocery page and then next I am going to search. Next I am going to search Ashirwad Atta 5 kg packet. For that I am going to let's go back here. So let me indicate this Supermart logo here and then for type into, let me indicate this search box here and inside type into text portion I am going to write this Ashirwad Atta 5 kg. Next I am going to use, so friends, next I need to use this search button here. After that I am going to add a delay of 1 second. Let me do that. So 0 0 and then 0 1 seconds. Let me refer this click on add button to add the item into cart. So for that I'm going to use anchor base activity again, and in which I'm going to use find element here, find element, and then click button. So for find element I'm going to use this as a reference, and then this button as this button to add the item in add the item in the cart, to add this grocery item in the cart. So let me go back to Notepad. Once I am done with this, I am going to add a delay of 1 second. So let me use this. So for in the delay I am going to use a time of 1 second. So let me do that, and let's run this program. Let's see how it works. Let me close this, save the program, and then click on debug file. So we are able to log in, then go to grocery page, add onions, add onions into the cart, then search for Sonam rice 5 kg. So friends, here we are facing some problem. There is a delay of 1 second here, and then we are pressing the click button. So let's run the program again. Log out. Remove the items. So we are able to log in and go to grocery page, add the onions, so friends, here let me stop this, and inside type into here we need to empty the field before we move into next search option. Let's debug the file again, log in, then go to grocery page, search onions, add onions, then search Sonam rice 5 kg, and add into it, then search Ashirwad atta 5 kg. So friends, here we are facing a problem when we are using this anchor base activity. So instead of that, let's remove this and simply use a click activity and indicate the button, this button here, and save the program. So log out, again log out, close the program, then run the program. So login, we are able to go to grocery page and then add onions, then search for the small rice, Ashirwad atta 5 kg, add the receipt. So fine. So friends, let's debug the program again finally. So login, then grocery page, search onions, add onion, then search Sonam rice 5 kg, then add the same, then search Ashirwad atta 5 kg, then add the same, Okay, friends. So till now we are able to add 4 items into our shopping cart. Sorry, 3 items into our shopping cart. So let's continue adding one more item, and then we'll see how we can change the address and ready to place order. So for the next item, I'm going to use anchor base activity again. I'm going to use find element here, and then type into here, and for reference, I'm going to use this logo, and for type into, I'm going to use this search box. Here in the properties, I'm going to click empty field as true. So next item, whatever I'm going to type, the search box is empty. So I'm going to type here to mobile file later, and then I need to click on search item. So for that, I'm going to use this button, and then let me search actually here. So I have this result. Once I am done with search, I am going to add a delay of 1 second here. So for that, I'll mention here time as 0000 and then 01 seconds. Next I need to click on add button. So for that, I'm going to use this click button here, and then finally I'm going to add a delay of 1 second again. So in the duration I will use here 0000 and then 01 second. Let me save this program and then log out from here, log in, remove the account, and then log out, and then let's debug the program and let's see how it works. Log in, provide onions, then search specification. So let's add, we are able to add the same, then search Ashwagandha application, then we are able to add the same, then we are able to search mobile file later, and then we are able to add the same. So friend, next part is, once this is done, I need to click on card. So for that, I'm going to use click activity here. I'm going to indicate the element here. Card. Once I click here on the card, I need to indicate this element here, and then indicate this click activity here. So once this is clicked, so let's run the program again. Then log out from here. Close the window. Let's debug the file again. So we are able to add this one item. So let's see next time how it is added. So we are able to add items. Fine. So friends, now till now till here we are able to add the required items, change the address, and then next task is to place order. So for that, let me use anchor base activity. Let me see if I can use the anchor base activity here, and then click here. So I'm going to indicate this item here, and then next I'm going to indicate this. Let me save this and let's run the program again. We remove the items inside cart, and let me log out also and close the browser. So let's debug the file again. So next we are able to add auto packet file kg. Next we are searching mobile file editor. Same we are able to add. So next so fine. So friends, till now we are able to successfully add the items in the cart, and then select the appropriate address to send the order, to deliver the ordered items, and then click on place order button. So friends, with this we are closing this video, and in the next video, so friends, with this I am closing this video. In the next video I am going to show you the procedure to order the items to order the grocery items from another website. So for now, thanks for watching and bye. Kindly press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get further updates from our channel. So thanks for watching and bye.